Okay, what's up, YouTube? The other day, I took this valve cover off because of the fact that it was leaking, and we got a little bit more than we bargained for it. Like this side of the valve cover, it's cracked, and someone tried to JB weld the crack back together. So on top of everything else, we are going to need, definitely going to need a valve cover. Also, since I've already got to take the valve covers off, I'm going to go ahead and add some roller rockers to the vehicle. Other than that, our top repair is still coming along. Like I said, it's not going to be the most perfect, but it's going to work. So I'll be making a video probably on Sunday to update you guys on the top repair. And we'll be getting into what parts do you want to replace to install roller rockers, okay? All right. This is HMC out.